In the shadows of history, Nikola Tesla's brilliance often went unrecognized. His inventions, from alternating current to the Tesla coil, revolutionized electricity, yet he faced relentless competition. Tesla believed in harnessing the power of nature, famously stating, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." This insight into energy transformed how we understand technology today, revealing a visionary whose legacy still electrifies our world.